Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. This is your HRCA Mathematics Olympiad video for the source book 3 and 4. We shall start with question number 27. All of you have seen the other videos. The other videos are going to help you out in the other questions, but this video will help you out from question number 27 till question number 50. The shape shows the net 4. Okay, which is this shape? This shape is a cube. Very good. Then you have to take the cube. See the shape carefully. Whatever the shape is there, take that option. Okay. In the next question, you have to add two digits and find the answer. I have done rough work for you. You can see there. In the next question, you have to find the second number. The first number is given and the answer is given. Okay, first number is 45,712. The answer is 71,345. So we shall subtract 45,712 from 71,315. The answer we get is 25,633. I have done the rough work for you. In question number 30, it is about rounding off to the nearest hundred. As you all know very well that till 50 we round off to the previous hundred, and if it is more than 50 we round it off to the next hundred. It is 055, 25,000 and 055. So the nearest hundred is 100. Okay, round off it. Then the next question is question number 31 is also the same. The number is 15,495 and nearest rounding off number is very good. 495 is nearest to 500. So next number is 15,500. Next question is to round off a decimal number into a whole number. 9.73, it is more than 0.5. So we round off it to the next whole number. It will be 10. Yes, the correct option is 10. In question number 33, 712 plus 211 is equal to, I have done the addition for you. You can see the answer is 923. In the next question, we have to subtract 49 from 57. I have done subtraction for you. So see, and the answer I got was 8. So tick the right answer, 8. In question number 35, the answer is given and you have to find the unknown number from which if we subtract 135, so we shall get 457. I have done the work for you. So we subtract 135 from 457. The answer we get is 592. So we shall take the right option. Okay, students. Next question is 84 plus dash is equal to 120. I have done the rough work for you. If we subtract 84 from 120, so we shall get the right option. That's 36. The next question is 81 minus dash is equal to 782. So if we subtract 782 from 810, then we'll get the second number. That's 28. 262 water bottles are delivered to a store, but 47 of them are damaged. How many are not damaged? So it's very simple. Subtract 47 from 262 and you'll get the answer. That's 215. Now, next few questions are about the Roman numbers. To represent 0 in Roman numbers, we use X, I or V. X stands for 10, I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. So none of them is the correct option. 10 can be written in Roman X, I, V or C. So everyone know very well that X stands for 10. So X is the correct option. In the number 17 can be written in Roman as XVII, as XIV is 14, IVX is 410. That don't make such sense. Next question is the number 20 can be represented in Roman numbers, and we all know very well it's X and X. Next, XIV it can be represented in Arabic numbers as 14. Okay, that's the correct option. Next question is XII. You know very well it's 12. XIX is 19. Okay, it's very simple test. Don't get confused. In the next question, what comes after XV? What comes after XV? It's XVI. Okay. The correct option is XVI. In number 49, what comes between IX and XI? It's number X. And in number 50, what comes before IX? It's VII. 8. IX stands for 9 and 8 comes before 9. Students, I hope you are all preparing well for your test. For more queries, visit our YouTube channel for updates and more exciting videos. Please subscribe our channel to have updates. Please press bell icon. Hope you all will get very beautiful rewards. Wish you all the best and good luck from my side.